there. Okay, so I'm back with more style videos and more pants because we are just bringing back all of our pants. We were out of stock for a while, so now we got all of our pants in stock, and I want to tell you about this pants. This is Miki. She is amazing. So many great fits and looks with this one pant. She can be like your lounge at home pajama pant, work from home, go to the beach, go to work, like everything pant. She's a great lightweight jersey, so this is that same rayon spandex that we use for our tops. And she's just got a great kind of like cropped look. So this one has a 22-inch inseam. So if you remember, our Sunrise is a little longer. So Miki is kind of more of a crop pant, and you can see I have like a higher shoe on. And she's got this great little detail at the bottom as I lean into my wall. This little tulip open hem, so that gives it a really nice touch at the bottom. And what's great about it is no matter what height you are, this pant could be a pant on some shorter girls. I'm 5'2". It could be a crop on some taller girls. So because of that hem detail, it kind of is really forgiving for different heights and different inseams. Speaking of inseam, this is a 22. So remember that it is a little shorter, but we love it. It's a crop pant. It's supposed to be a crop pant. And what makes it so great on the top is that we've got this great fitted yoga waistband. So she kind of comes in, does a really nice scoop. So if you wanted to, you could fold this over and you would have like a lower rise, or you could leave it up. And if you left it up, this is about a 15, maybe even a 16-inch rise. So it's really high, which is really nice. I feel like if you like the half tuck look, you could definitely tuck it really, really high, and it gives you a really nice, different kind of silhouette. So that's totally up to you. She's got some front darts that kind of separate, so it gives it some really nice looseness within the hips and the butt area. And she has some really great side pockets. So these are side slanted pockets, so it doesn't add girth to your hips. It kind of comes away from it, which is really nice. And she's flat in the back, so no back pockets or anything. But this is Miki. I wanted you to see her with the tank top again, because I think it's great to kind of get a different look. And you could totally dress her up or dress her down. She will become your favorite pant, I promise. So if you have any more questions, please let us know. I am here for you, and I hope to see you back here very, very soon.